In this video, I'm going to describe how to use the ActionScript Clipboard class to retrieve data from the system clipboard. I'll be using the same application as the previous video, clipboard demo.mxml. If you didn't watch that video previously, you'll need to go back to that video and follow the steps to import the project, and then open the file clipboard demo.mxml. If you're following along, place the cursor inside the existing paste data function. Just as when adding data to the clipboard, to retrieve data from the clipboard, you'll use the clipboard class's general clipboard static property to reference the single instance of the system clipboard. Place the cursor inside the paste data function and declare a variable named pasted string, and data type it as a string. Then assign the variable by calling the clipboard's general clipboard properties getData method like this: clipboard.generalClipboard.getData. There's one required argument, the format name you're looking for, and then an optional argument named transfer mode that I'll describe later. For this example, I'll use the simplest syntax, just passing in a format name. Just as when setting data in the clipboard, we use the clipboard formats class's constants to indicate what kind of data we're looking for. I'll select the text format constant just as before. Then I'll close the method call with the parenthesis, and then explicitly cast the data type of the returned value as a string. If you look in the API documentation for the getData method, it indicates that it returns an object. If you know that you're getting back a string, you have to say so. Now I'll take that returned data and assign it to the textOut text area's text property, like this: textOut.text equals pasted string. I'll save the changes, and notice again that the paste data function is already being called when the user clicks the button with the label of paste. I'll run the application. Now I'll come back to FlexBuilder and return to the file simpletextfile.txt. And I'm going to select and copy the text that was already there. The quick red fox jumped over the lazy brown dog. I'll copy it to the clipboard. I'll return back to the running Air application and click the paste button, and you'll see the data show up in the destination text area control. So that's the basic syntax for getting data out of the clipboard, regardless of whether the data was placed there using an Air application or some other application running in the operating system. You use the getData method, you pass in the name of the format you're looking for, you explicitly data type the returned value as the type you know is going to be returned. In this case, we know it's going to be a string, because that's what the text format name is telling us, and then you do something with the data. In the next video, I'll show you how to do the same sort of copy and paste operation, but this time using a complex object.